Hello, good morning, buddies. This is Azik, and today I would like to make an introduction of a diesel engine powered by, a diesel engine, the soil interlocking brake machine. Now, at my back here is this model, HR 2-25, the diesel engine soil interlocking brake machine. And this particular machine, now you see, is especially for producing the soil interlocking bricks. In the world, especially in Africa, our African customer, the brick makers normally will be called these bricks to be stable interlocking soil bricks. So the short name is called ISSB is the short name of this particular bricks. So now you can see this machine stand here. It's powered by a diesel engine. So that means if the area where there's no electricity, this machine is is a good choice for them to choose for using there where there's no electricity, because it's powered by diesel engine. Okay. Now what you see now, this one is the diesel engine. And here is the diesel tank. I will open the cover. So here you will fill the diesel. And here's the filter. Here's the filter. It can filter, the dirt and the dirt and some others, the small pieces of the soil is the filter. And this diesel motor, we use it the wind cooling system. That means, after sometimes using, the motor will be, especially here, the engine will get very hot. So it's hot will be damage the motor. But now we equipped with the wind cooling system onto the diesel engine. So it's very nice. And compared with others machine, and our machine take use of the automatic starter with the battery. You see now, here's the battery, right? Okay, like here. If there's not the starter and battery, you have to use this. To start. You have to use this by the menu to start this diesel engine, right? But our machine, we take use, we fixed the battery and the starter. Here's the starter. Here's the starter. Automatic starter. Okay, I will show you. Okay, this one automatic starter. And here, and this tank is for storing the hydraulic oil. So here's the mouse. Open, and you will fill the hydraulic oil, and the inside also has the filter. Yeah. Okay, and what you see now here, this part we call it the water cooling system for the hydraulic oil. You know, if you use this machine in the area where it's very high temperature, so the hydraulic oil will get heat after sometimes using. So it's a little harm to the hydraulic oil, right? So we fix this water cooling system on here. So normally you will use here. You will use the water pipe. This mouth is for the entrance. So you will use the water pipe here to connect here. So the water will recycling. The water will be recycled inside this the blue this one, right? So it will cooling the hydraulic oil. It will cooling the hydraulic oil and keep the whole hydraulic oil to be cool. So then it will be, you know, to make the hydraulic system to be high efficient. And here is the hopper for holding the material. It's very easy, so nothing to introduce. And here is for the producing the U-shape. This one is for the producing the U-shape bricks, U-shape. And this one for the producing the normal bricks for the whole size, the full size, right? And you can see our material we use. It's very smooth, so it can keep the bricks to be a smooth surface. And here is the hydraulic pump. Here is the hydraulic pump. And by this fourth screws, the function of this fourth screw is to keep the height of the bricks. So that means if you like to produce the bricks is more higher, so you will release this screw and make it down, make it lower down, right? Here's the handle to control the waves of the how to say, you will control this handle to control the hydraulic pump go up and down to compress the bricks. And 我得打豆腐下来了。After this, I will use it. This one material will be filling inside. Okay. Okay. And you stop here. It will switch off the diesel engine. Okay. So this brick is just we produced already. It's fresh the bricks, and this brick is full size. It's full size for the wall building. Normally we will use this one interlocking because it's interlocking. And normally, you know, some people require us to produce the bricks, fabricated bricks with two holes like this, and without this, square holes in the middle. But you know why some people will be required this square holes in the middle is because they would like to fill the pipes of the electrical wires, and normally the water pipe inside, or they will pull the concrete material inside to make the wall to be more solid. Yeah, and this one half of the square holes here will be joined together to become a full, the square holes normally like that. And this one U-shape, right? It's a U-shape. The U-shape bricks normally will be used onto the window sides. You know the window sides. You have to use a reinforcement to support the window. Normally, these U-shaped bricks will be used on the area of the window size, window location. And this one's half bricks, right? This one half bricks. 看半块吧 half bricks. These half bricks normally will be used at the corner of the wall, right? So after you building the wall with the four bricks to be a complete wall, and normally at the corner sides you have to use a half bricks to join here at the corner area, right? And by here you will, will be joined here. The bricks. Okay, and normally here's the corner. Yeah. Okay, all right. See, you see, it's the half bricks, right? The half bricks will be, at the corner here. Will be corner like this. Will be use the half bricks here at the corner. So the bricks will be joined together with this direction. The bricks will be, do a corner. Right, so it's half bricks. Yeah, this one half bricks. And will be interlocking. Right, you can see here, half bricks. So it'll be joined here. Yes. Okay. So the U-shape bricks will be normally used if you would like to to fix the wine. Electric wine for your house, daily life using, you will use this one, the protected the pipes. You will fix the wine inside to protect here, like this. Okay. So see, will be fix the wine inside the hose, and or sometimes you will use the reinforcement of the iron steel reinforcement, but not like this one. I just want to take this for example. To like the reinforcement to make the concrete wall, make the walls to be more stronger. You will use reinforcement here. Okay, and you will joint one by one to be up, right? To be up. And to use the stainless wire to connect well. And normally sometimes the block builder normally will use the reinforcement to be here, and to be make it to be to support like a column or like a column, yes, or like a pillar to support here. Okay. Okay, that's all, my friend. And today I have already make some introduction of the soil interlocking bricks. Like our machine is powered by diesel engine. Normally will be used at the area with no electricity. So I think it's a very good choice for the people who want to use this soil interlocking brick machine to produce the soil interlocking bricks. The soil interlocking bricks normally will be how to say, is the favorite choice for the people who is from the village. They don't have too much money to produce the concrete blocks for the build the house, and they prefer to use the lower investment of the bricks of the soil interlocking bricks to build a house. Maybe just the first level, just the first storage of the house for to build a house in a village. I think that will be very good for the village people, you know. So because this kind of soil bricks is cheap, you know, with cheap investment and the materials are cheap, you can get the soil material anywhere, right? You can get this soil material anywhere. You can dig the soil, you know, maybe at the back of your house, and use the soil and mixing with some small quantity of the cement to produce the bricks. I think it's very good. It's very lower investment of the bricks compared with the concrete blocks. So today, you know, I just test this our, you know, the machine, the diesel powered machine. And if you want to get more information about the soil interlocking bricks building, the technology, welcome to subscribe my channel and leave your comments on my video, and I will send you our maybe the website. You can go through our website to get more information about this interlocking technology. Thank you. See you next time.